We are on the way.
Wow, my coffee.
I'm sorry for the loud house. We are on the way to a garage sale. Woo! I'm about to make bank. I'm about to make bank. Or make no money at all. So let's do it. Okay. The car is all packed, as you can tell. There's a mountain of stuff, and we are ready to sell. Hopefully make at least $1 profit. That will make me happy if I make at least $1 profit. He's staring at me. $1 profit. I'll be happy.
The things that we can't say, the things we try to hide.
We have, of course, it's super early in the morning and we have to make a Starbucks run.
Starbucks, really.
Oh no, there's When you walk out of Starbucks with 5 drinks, just for us 3.
Ooh, 5 drinks for 3 people.
The guy, hold on, let me take this. The guy was our friend, well not our friend, we made a friend. And he gave us 2 samples of the salted caramel mocha, yep. I'm going to get hit. I got my pumpkin spice latte.
That's why I haven't brought my makeup. I don't have any makeup on, except for I tried to draw my eyebrows really quick, but I didn't wear any makeup because,
Like everyone else, we can't choose the way we die. Oh, but we can choose the way we live tonight.
She's blocking the sun from me. She's been really wanting to put her little stuffed doggy into this little crate, so we're gonna do it. Do you wanna learn how to do it?
yeah.
You push this like this. Oh, like this, these 2. Now put it in there. Then you close it, you go like this. Ah, how does this work? Oh, there, it's closed.
I was gonna say like $20.
Look at it, it's a little upside down, but it's in there.
Okay.
You want to take it out?
Yeah.
Okay. I have my new Halloween decoration on my head. 5 hours later, and this is how crazy we've gone.
Jammy that I saw. This one. This one. Coming up looking at me like, it's good for the winter.
I'm so exhausted. I'm so ready to go home. I just got home and my dad got this dirt bike, this 80cc dirt bike for like $80 cheap, and now he's riding it. If you didn't know, he used to live in Arizona and he would ride dirt bikes. He would race dirt bikes and he got a couple sponsors. So I guess that's pretty cool. He's trying to do a wheelie. Nah.
Maybe we can find the time, because there's people crying every night.
Whoa, what was that? I'm taking a break from riding the motorbikes and I'm making mashed potatoes from scratch. I just made some homemade mashed potatoes. So delicious. And now I'm just gonna hang out and chill, maybe with my dog, maybe with my mom, maybe with myself. Or with Jason, because he's being a crazy guy. And look at Danny, he's about to go on the little mortar bike. I'm over here like wishing that I can get footage of me riding the bike. He's staring at me. And I'm like, oh, how am I gonna get footage? Nobody, because they're all busy. They're all busy doing stuff. So I'm like, I have my GoPro.
Yeah, she forgot she had to go.
So let's go. Let's do this. We're starting it now. Holy.
I wish I had the answers. I wish I had the time.
Little Daniel!
I'm getting ready for my trip.
Whoa, me too! Just kidding. There they go. Hi, Daniel! We ran out of gasolina. Look, my motocross bike is in the garage now. Sad. But now we just get to relax and eat dinner. I'm so hungry. Whoa, 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 whoa. Shh, quiet, quiet, quiet. This is what happens when... Oh wait, but it gets this cold in Arizona, huh?
Yeah. The beast is coming.
So, I kind of failed today at vlogging. I mean, I got us dirt biking and on the GoPro. But I didn't really get dinner or anything after that. I don't care. Is it focused now?
Yeah.
What was I saying? Oh, I probably stopped filming like around 7.
Ninja Talk.
We had dinner and all that,
Me and Ninja
and it's already 12:09 to be exact. So I think I'm gonna end it now. How was your day?
Pretty Gucci. Gucci, how's your day, Coco? I take that as a pretty good.
Pretty good, Mom.
Pretty good mom.
Mine was okay.
Oh, I want to visit that place.
The Bean? My day was pretty okay. What is wrong with you? Okay, I'm going to edit this vlog, and he's going to watch the Lorax.
Yes. Lorax is the best movie in the world.
Thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.
Keep running Lorax.
Yeah, I'll put in the Lorax. I'm done. Yeah.
Came out right at the right time, right? So what's this motherfucker saying? We winning. Right?
Oh.
This is winning, right?
Get ourselves better to improve ourselves and play really good on the road.
It's October 3rd. Mingos reference. And we're getting in the Christmas spirit even before Halloween and Thanksgiving. Instead of watching the Lorax, we're watching Frosty the Snowman. Are you excited?
Let's see her dance.
Oh, look, she's gonna dance.
I feel like she's not liking this. Oh, that's my